Today we will start removing this old backsplash. Here's a few essential tools you'll need. Protection, some gloves for your outlets, this bad boy, some of these. We are going to a black matte subway tile. That is the tile the customer wants on there. Also make sure you have some eye protection. An hour later, this is where we're at. Take a little break, a little water, relax 5 minutes. Have you some heavy duty trash cans, maybe some 5-gallon buckets. 2 hours in, take a little 5-minute break here and there. Save those. It's a template. If you could take it out in one piece, you can cut your new hardy backer. Stay tuned for part 2. Like and subscribe if you want to see how this finishes up.